Stag update. The hinges wouldn't fit. I couldn't get them to line up with the holes, the bolt holes, which now they are. Reason being, this panel was fitted in the wrong place. So this bit wouldn't go underneath this bit. It was too far forward, the panel, not allowing that in. So I've had to unpick it. Now I've fitted the hinges, I can refit the panel where it wants to fit, nice and comfy. Hey, bloody job. I wonder if that's why the old guy had packed in. He tried to fit the hinges and couldn't do it. Anyway, I will not be defeated. See you later. Update soon.